Can the government do anything it wants? And who really stops them when they cross the line? You and I, we live in a democracy. We vote, we pay taxes, we follow laws. But have you ever wondered who makes sure the government itself follows the law? Welcome back to the channel where we break down complex legal topics without the jargon. Today we are diving into judicial review, the power that lets our court say, "No, Mr. Government, you've gone too far." And trust me, this is not just some old school law theory. From Minerva Mills in 1980 to the Electoral Bonds verdict in 2024, judicial review is the invisible force that protects your rights, your vote, your future. Let's rewind a little. India is a democracy, yes, but it also is a constitutional democracy, meaning everyone, even parliament, must follow the constitution. That's where judicial review comes in. This principle gives a Supreme Court and High Courts the power to review laws passed by the legislature or actions taken by the executive and strike them down if they violate the constitution. Sounds simple, right? But its power is anything but simple. Because when used right, judicial review can protect millions, and when ignored, it could cost our freedoms. Let me take you to the year 1980. A textile company, Minerva Mills, founded itself at the heart of one of the most powerful Supreme Court judgments in Indian history. During the emergency era, the government made sweeping constitutional amendments, especially to Article 368, saying Parliament has unlimited power to amend the Constitution. Unlimited, no limits. Imagine that. But the Supreme Court said no. In Minerva Mills versus Union of India in 1980, the court held that even Parliament can't destroy the basic structure of the Constitution. You can change the law, yes, but not the soul of the Constitution. Liberty, equality, separation of powers. It was a turning point. It reminded us that no one, not even the government, is above the Constitution. That judgment wasn't just about a company, it was about us, you and me, about ensuring that no government becomes so powerful that it forgets the duty to the people. Fast forward to 2024 and judicial review returned with full force. You have probably heard of Electoral Bonds, a scheme launched in 2018 that allowed anonymous donations to political parties. At first glance, it looked like a way to bring clean money into politics. But something felt off. RTI activists, lawyers, and concerned citizens raised their voices. Where's the transparency? How do we know who's funding whom? They argued that anonymous political donations hurt the very idea of free and fair elections. Finally, in a historic verdict in Association for Democratic Reforms versus Union of India in 2024, the Supreme Court struck down the scheme. Why? Because the right to information of citizens, especially about who funds political parties, is essential to functioning democracy. The court said loud and clear, transparency isn't a luxury, it is a necessity. This is judicial review in action. A check, a balance, a conscience. You might be thinking, okay, this is all great, but how does it affect me? Here's the thing. Every time a court says no to an unconstitutional law, it is protecting you. Your vote becomes meaningful when elections are fair. Your freedom is secure when governments know they can't bypass the constitution. Your rights are respected when courts remain fearless. These judgments aren't just black and white legal texts. They are stories of ordinary citizens fighting back and winning. So, the next time someone says courts are overreaching, remind them courts are not attacking democracy, they are defining it. Where's the life lesson learned here? We often ignore institutions until they fail us. But in truth, our freedom survives not by chance but by constant vigilance. Judicial review is not just a legal tool, it's a reminder that power must be accountable always. So, here's my question for you. Do you believe courts should have the power to strike down government decisions? Tell me in the comments. I want to hear your take. Let's make this a real conversation. And if you learned something new today, even one thing, like this video, share it and subscribe for more insights to simplify the law and empower your life. Also, check out our Constitution and Fundamental Rights playlist in the description below. Until the next time, stay aware, stay empowered, and remember, knowing your rights is the first step to protecting them. Take care. Bye.